cruising up this road and saw this nice super green valley down there. Looks like it's muddy spots too. So definitely the kind of spot where you'd see a critter at the right time of day. Head on up here and see if I can find a spot to camp. Cruising up the road and saw this absolutely massive boulder. Stopped just shy of where the road was. I'm sure that probably happened long before this was a road. That thing is huge. Getting into the burned area out here. Oh, look at that. There's water in the ditch. Is there a frog or something in there? Oh, there's a few frogs in there. How about that? Let's see, I see 4. 2 right there and 2 right there. That's cool. There's probably plenty of skeeters and stuff in here for them to eat. All right, this is going to be camp for the night. I'm going to set up the awning over in there, and then the tent over in there, and then I'll park the truck over in here. And then, well, I'm going to do something, and it'll be cool. There's another little road that goes up there. It's I think it's kind of somebody made themselves a little 4x road, or it was an old skidder trail or something. But I walked up it. It just goes up to another little campsite. It's okay. It's not super awesome, but there's not really a good spot to turn around. And I definitely, I'm not backing that thing down that road. I'd have to fold the mirrors in just to get up it. Looks like whoever was here last did a good job of putting their fire out. They buried it with dirt. Are you on there because you're tired? There we go. All right. Oh, I've got this tarp that I've been carrying around for years and have never used. One of those feely bobs that comes with poles and stuff, and you can make a tent or a awning or a whatever shelter type of thing. So carrying it around for years, I've never used it. So I'm gonna make in this area, make a big sunshade for myself. Hold on to that one. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. A lot of shade now. All right, the burger is served. I'm running low on plates, so I'm using a too small bowl. By running low, I mean I have one left. Tomato, lettuces. Pick it up. Here we go. Here's our burger. It's like mostly vegetables, but that's okay. It's about 7:30ish now. I got a citronella candle going because the little skeeters are coming out. Well, they've been out for a while. Rusty's in there chasing a fly. He spent some time underneath the tent earlier. It was pretty hot out, so he got into there to lay down and take a nap in the cool grass. Still quite a ways until sunset. Yep, he's looking at all the little bugs flying around. He was fine sleeping under the tent. I actually woke him up so he could get out and burn off some energy so he's not up all night while I'm trying to sleep. It's amazing, this little island of green out here in this giant burn. There's a few other little, at least one other, there's a couple, 2-3 other ones I passed on the way up here. Little islands kind of help reseed the forest. I see a few saplings and stuff down in there, but not as many as you'd think there would be. Just about 8:30. Sun's still got a little ways to go. Decided to make some evening coffee. The mosquitoes are pretty bad out here. I got the citronella candle going there, tiki torch on that stump right there with some citronella in it, a thermocell going, another tiki torch there, and then another tiki torch ready to go. They got this stuff in them. Citronella and cedar torch fuel. And Rusty keeps wanting to wander up in the woods there, which is where I exactly do not want him to go. But that's where he saw all the birds. As soon as I get up in here to get him, then the skeeters start getting all over the place. Come on, you don't need to be up here. Bugs are out and Rusty's going crazy, but I think he'll like the laser pointer too. All that energy out, kitty. For his big nap. Alrighty, kitty. There you go. Just what you always wanted, a tent. Well, you gotta stay in there. I gotta move a chair. Alright, I gotta move the chair and turn the light out, and then that's it. interested in everything, aren't you, kitty? Yeah, I still got to put a blanket on there before you get all comfy. All right. Just about ready to crawl in the old sack there. Somebody else is settled in for the night there. The shadow from the phone. All right. Well, somebody's grooming. Windows are all sealed up. Using the support bar to hold my hat up and also hold that bag up. So even though there's 4 pockets, you can shove stuff in between the bars too if you need to. Next day has arrived. Somebody's over there munching on some grass. The moon has come out. Sun's rising over there. And I need to make some coffee. Well, coffee water is heating up. I'm going to have a strawberry and banana yogurt with some granola for breakfast. Oh, you see him leap out of there? That was funny. Somebody's got some energy. All that laser chasing last night. I'm surprised he has any energy left. There's always a bug to chase though. And a piece of grass to eat. Always fun trying to fold up anything with a cat around. Oh, let me get on that. Oh, let me get in that. Oh, let me get back on that. Look at that tree. It's completely burned out in there. That is a big, tall tree too. And it's only being held up by this other tree that's also dead. One reason burned up forest is a very dangerous place to be. The forest is on its path to recovery. A few little trees right there. A bunch of little trees all over the place. Not sure how long ago this thing burned up, but it's gonna be a new forest soon. Well, maybe not soon, but it's on its way. I'm sure this little island of green trees here really helped seed the surrounding area. done exploring. It's time to get on back. Well, into this campsite and on to the next little adventure, which will be clearing some obstacles out of the road on the way out of here. Watch film and do all that. We might be able to turn that down a little bit. I'll give it a shot. I'm going to turn around though. Well, the old Gorilla Tape job, or Gorilla Tape repair the mirror job sure has taken a beating. I'll have to put some more Gorilla Tape on there. Yeah, this is a big old tree. It looks like somebody's already spun out trying to do something on it. Pull it or do something with it. It's well beyond the capacity of my little saw. I'll see if I can cut into it though to maybe I can cut it enough that I can break it off. I don't think I'm going to be able to get all the way through before my battery dies. Too. Came back to the tree in the road with my gas saw so I can try to get this thing out of here. We can all quit driving on the side there. It's laying pretty flat across the road. The trick will be to try to get this thing out of here without rocking my chain. I'll have to do my first cut over in here and see if that changes the balance a little bit on it. That high peak up there, looks like it would be fun to climb up on. Looks like you could see forever from up there. road is cleared up again. As soon as I finished rolling that last piece off, here came some people rolling down the road. Oh, that's my good deed for the day, I guess. I got a little bit more cleanup to do on the way back, so hit a couple things.